Presenting a pre-owned 2024 Tesla. This four-door SUV has a 2-cylinder engine with rear-wheel drive and an automatic transmission. This Tesla is a steal with less than 10,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 128 miles per gallon in the city and 112 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include auxiliary audio input, speed-sensitive volume control, navigation system, wireless data link, moonroof, power windows, window defogger, air filtration, front air conditioning, cruise control, power steering, universal remote, digital odometer, external temperature display, airbags, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, power brakes, blind spot safety, child seat anchors, parking sensors, seatbelt force limiters, power door locks, stability control, and traction control.